You can order the door lock actuator used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Set the parking brake. Pull on the hood release handle and open the hood. For safety reasons, we advise you to disconnect the battery. To do so, we recommend watching the video, How to Replace the Toyota Camry Car Battery. Open the back door. To access the rear door lock actuator, lift the electric window controls using a car trim removal tool. Then disconnect it. Next, remove the armrest by simply pulling it out. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 2 screws holding the door panel. Using a car trim removal tool, remove the plastic cover located in the door handle. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the retaining screw from the inner door panel. You can now unclip the door panel by pulling it towards you and lifting it slightly to release it from the top track. Remove the door latch cable and the door release cable. You can now remove the inner door panel. Disconnect the door lock actuator connector. Then gently peel off the plastic insulation. Remove the cables from the insulation. Next, using a ratchet and a Torx T30 socket, unscrew the 3 bolts holding the door lock actuator. You can now remove the lock actuator by passing it through the opening in the door. Using a flathead screwdriver, lift the plastic cover and retrieve the door release cable. Repeat the operation for the door latch cable.
Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoyed this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work.
You can order the door lock actuator used in the video on the CarParts.com website via the link in the description. Take the door lock actuator. Then put the 2 cables back into the actuator. Place the lock actuator in the door. Before you finish tightening, make sure the actuator trigger is correctly positioned in the red fork of the door opening handle. Finish tightening the 3 bolts. Slide the 2 cables into the plastic insulation, and then put the insulation back in place. Reconnect the connector. Bring the inner door panel closer and put the 2 cables back in place. Start by sliding the upper part of the door panel into its rail. Then press on the edge of the door panel to clip it securely into its slots. Once the panel is in place, screw in the screw that is in line with the door's opening system. Then put the inner lining back in place. Screw the 2 armrest screws back on. Then put the armrest back in place. Reconnect the electric window control connector and put them back in place. Reconnect the battery. Operation complete.